Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting little audio component that's perfect for anyone into DIY electronics or building their own small audio projects. This is the Taidacent XH-A156 digital audio power amplifier board. What makes this particular board stand out is that it's a 4-channel amplifier, utilizing the popular PAM8403 chip, and it's designed to be incredibly compact and easy to power. The XH-A156 board is built around the PAM8403, which is a Class D amplifier chip known for its efficiency and ability to deliver decent power from a low-voltage supply. The key feature here is the 4-channel output, providing 4 by 3 watts of power. This is different from the more common 2-channel PAM8403 boards you might see. Having 4 channels opens up possibilities for driving multiple small speakers, perhaps for a surround sound effect in a miniature setup, or simply powering 2 sets of stereo speakers independently. One of the most convenient aspects of this board is its power requirement. It runs on DC 5 volts, and specifically, it's designed to be powered via a USB connection. This means you can easily power from a standard USB wall adapter, a power bank, or even a USB port on a computer or other device. This makes it incredibly versatile for portable projects or setups where a dedicated power supply isn't ideal. The small size, combined with the USB power option, truly emphasizes the mini and DIY nature of this amplifier. It has a tiny footprint, making it easy to integrate into tight spaces within your project enclosure. Connecting the board is straightforward. It typically has terminals or pads for the 5V power input, the audio input, which would likely be a stereo input that the board then splits or processes for the 4 channels, and the 4 sets of speaker outputs. For its size and power source, the PAM8403 chip generally provides clean audio at moderate volumes. Like most small digital amplifiers, pushing it to its absolute maximum volume might introduce some distortion. But for driving small 3-watt speakers in a desktop setup, a small boombox, or a custom audio gadget, it performs quite well. This particular offering from Taidacent comes in a pack of 10 boards. This is fantastic value if you have multiple projects in mind, or if you're experimenting and might need spares. It's ideal for hobbyists, students learning about audio electronics, or anyone who wants to add sound to their creations without needing a large or complex amplifier circuit. Whether you're building a custom Bluetooth speaker, adding audio to a robot, creating interactive sound installations, or just need a tiny amplifier for a specific application, the XH-A156 4-channel board offers a convenient and cost-effective solution. Its simplicity, small size, USB power capability, and 4-channel output make it a versatile component for a wide range of DIY audio endeavors.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.